Alright guys, so I got a Yamaha blaster and I'm going to show you guys how to replace the reeds in here, how to check if they need to be replaced. So first, obviously you want to take the gas tank and the seat off, which I already did. Next we're going to take the carb off, which I'm also going to be replacing. And your reeds are right in here. This is your reed boot. So I'm going to take the carb off, take the 4 bolts that are holding this on, take it off, and then I'll show you guys the reeds. Set it over here, and we're just going to take these bolts off.
There's 4 of them, one on each corner. I know that would be a lot quicker, but it's pretty tight space. So you don't lose these.
We're gonna go back to the other side now. I'm gonna just pull it right out. Be careful not to damage your gasket. I just changed these reeds the other day, so they're obviously good. I just wanted to show you guys. These are Vito's dual stage carbon fiber reeds. Yours might not look like this. Yours might look more like yours might look more like this. It's gonna be like that, but they're the same thing. The reason why I prefer Vito's dual stage carbon fiber reeds, they actually come with 2 sets of them, so if these carbon fiber ones ever break, I have another set. The other set aren't carbon fiber, but they're still a spare set of reeds. And these improve performance. They give you more top end speed, more power in the top end without taking away from your bottom end. So I mean, honestly, I don't think there's that much of a difference, but just off of what I've read in my research on them, these are better. So they're only, I think they're only like 15 bucks on Amazon, I believe. 10 to 15 bucks, so worth it. Once you change them, there's 2 screws here. You'll take these off, and if they're these, they go like this. If they're these, then the reed will go on first, and then this will go over it like this. And these are the old ones that were on there. These don't look too bad, but yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. I'll put the link to these in the description. I believe it goes this way. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in the last, these 4 bolts.
make sure you put these really tight to form a good seal. Make sure no air is getting in or out of the seals. That can affect the performance. And now we're just going to go ahead and put our cut back on. And
That's how you replace your reeds. Remember, the small end, or well, at least on this one, the small end goes into the boot and this end goes into the air filter.